Reading, week 4, year 3 and 4, and this is lesson 2. Very good morning to you all. So the lesson focus is to read back over the text and highlight the key events. You will then answer the comprehension questions relating to the text. Finally, you will predict what you think will happen next. The vipers. So today's focus will be I for inferencing and P for predicting. The learning objective: to develop positive attitudes to reading and an understanding of what is read by discussing words and phrases that capture the reader's interest and imagination. The success criteria: I can identify the key events within a text. I can also discuss any words I do not understand. I can even predict what might happen next. Vocabulary slides. So if there are any words that you do not understand, you can go to this website. For the pupil-friendly definitions, use co-build definitions. Okay, let's read the Little Mermaid extract again. So if you have a paper copy, you can highlight with a pen any key events from the extract. This will help you. So I have the first paragraph, and you will notice that some of the words are in red. So let's have a look. So I've highlighted ocean because this tells us where the story is based. So the water in the ocean is very dark and cold, and it is really a lonely and dangerous place to be. However, beneath the waves, it is completely different. It's a different story, as there is a castle. Now, complete the rest of the text yourself. Okay, now that you have finished finding the key events, we are going to look at some questions. Question 1. Name 2 of the items the Sea King's castle is made from. If you are unsure, then you can look back over the text to find the answer. Question 2. Why was the Sea King sad? Can you remember? Question 3. Look at the paragraph which begins, now it was custom in the kingdom. Can you find and copy a word that means allowed? Question 4. Now it was custom in the kingdom. Circle the word closest in meaning to custom. What does custom mean? Can you remember? Maybe you can remember from yesterday's lesson. You have 4 words: tradition, punishment, shopper, or curse. Question 5. They had returned to the castle with stories of feathered fish that swam through the air. What were the feathered fish that the sea princess saw? If you are unsure, read back over the text. Question 6. Look at the paragraph which begins, the little sea princess listened, and then find and copy the word that tells you she wanted something very much. Can you remember? Question 7. A huge floating creature made of wood, just as her sisters had described, with vast white fins. What is the creature that the Little Mermaid is afraid of? Write your answers on the worksheet. Plenary. Okay, so we have read the extract several times now. What do you predict will happen next in the fairy tale? You can draw a picture to show this.